Okay, now, hello students. I told you all that I will explain you epilogue separately, and for that purpose only I am making this YouTube link. And this epilogue is actually spoken by Prospero. Now, what is epilogue? Epilogues are basically the speeches which are delivered by the main character of the play or any major character of the play after the curtain falls down at the end of the play. जब प्ले एंड हो जाता है, कर्टन्स गिरा दिए जाते हैं, तो उसी प्ले के एक कैरेक्टर जो एटलीस्ट थोड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट हो, ठीक है, या फिर मेजर कैरेक्टर हो, प्रोटैगनिस्ट हो प्ले का, वो आकर के एक स्पीच डिलीवर करता है. एंड दैट स्पीच, दैट कॉन्वर्सेशन इज विद द ऑडियंस, नॉट विद एनी अदर कैरेक्टर ऑफ द प्ले. तो ये जो कैरेक्टर का जो स्पीच होती है, या आप कह लीजिए कि कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है, वो ऑडियंस के साथ होता है, ठीक है. इस एपिलॉग में प्रॉस्पेरो जो है वो जब ऑडियंस से बात करेगा तो वो उनसे कुछ सजेशंस भी मांगेगा. एंड देन यू विल फाइंड दैट प्रॉस्पेरो एडमिट्स हिज मिस्टेक्स ऑल्सो. Okay, so Prospero comes out after the play ends and he says, now my charms are all overthrown. ठीक है, so now my charms is referred to magic. Now my magic is all dissolved, ended, overthrown. And what strength I have my own, which is most faint. And as far as my own power is considered, that is very very weak. मेरा अपना power जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा weak है. Now 'tis true, I must be here confirmed by you or sent to Naples. See, in these 3 lines he is asking a suggestion from the audience, and he says that what is the opinion of the audience? You have been watching the play and you know my character. Do you think that the character of Prospero should stay on this deserted island, or he should go to Naples in order to celebrate his daughter's marriage? कि क्या प्रॉस्पेरो जैसे कैरेक्टर को इसी आइलैंड पे रहना चाहिए, ठीक है, या फिर उसको नेपल्स जाना चाहिए और मिलान जाके अपना ड्यूकडम संभालना चाहिए, ठीक है. लेट me not, since I have my dukedom got and pardoned the deceiver. And then he says that please do not ask me to stay on this deserted island, because I have already got my dukedom. I have restored my dukedom of Milan and pardoned the deceiver, and I have also forgiven the cheaters. So cheaters are referred to all the people who characters who conspired against Prospero in order to throw him from his dukedom. Dwell in this bare island by your spell, and with the help of magic, all these cheaters, they came on my island. I took revenge, and then finally I had forgiven. So what is the purpose of Prospero living alone on this deserted island? तो फिर अब प्रॉस्पेरो का ना तो मैजिक का कोई यूज़ है और ना ही उसको इस डेजर्टेड आइलैंड पे रहने का कोई जिसे बोलते हैं कि पर्पस बनता है. बट रिलीज मी फ्रॉम माई बैंड्स. बैंड्स का मतलब है कैप्टिविटी, इम्प्रिजनमेंट, ठीक है, फेटर्स. सो प्लीज काइंडली रिलीज मी फ्रॉम माई कैप्टिविटी ऑफ दिस डेजर्टेड आइलैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर गुड हैंड्स. गुड हैंड्स का मतलब है क्लैपिंग. सो इन अ वे प्रॉस्पेरो वॉन्ट्स द ऑडियंस टू अपलॉज फॉर हिम, to applaud for him, and he says that I want you all to clap for my role in this play. Gentle breath of yours my sails must fill, or else my project fails. So if you will give blessings to me, if you will clap for my efforts, then your blessings will help me in the gentle journey towards Naples. My sail towards Naples will become smooth, or else my project fails, or otherwise my planning to celebrate my daughter's wedding and to look after my dukedom once again will fail, which was to please. Now I want spirits to enforce, art to enchant, ठीक है. And then he says that I lack the strength of supernatural spirits to carry out my command, ठीक है. want का मतलब यहाँ पे है lack, ठीक है. So he says that because I have given up my magic, I do not have my spirits to enforce and art to enhance my magic, and my ending is despair, and my life will be full of sorrow unless I be relieved by my prayer. So he in a sense is realizing his mistakes, the kind of cruelty he has done with his spirits, and he says that I will pray in front of the God so that God can forgive me the way I have forgiven my deceivers, which pierces so that it assaults mercy itself. I will pray to God in such a manner that my prayers will penetrate God, and God will show mercy. God will definitely show mercy towards me. So this shows that he has very positive approach towards God, and frees all faults. My personality, my soul, my heart will be free from all faults, mistakes which I have committed during my life on this island. As you from crimes would pardon be, the way all people are pardoned for their sins. यहाँ पे crime का मतलब sin से है. Similarly, God will pardon me of my cruel behavior towards my spirits, which I used to do with the help of my magic. Let your indulgence set me free. ठीक है. And then he says that I want your kindness to give me freedom from all my sins. Indulgence means kindness. So in a way, Prospero is realizing that he has done a lot of cruelty to his spirits, and sometimes he has misused his magical powers also. Especially you people must have witnessed his behavior towards Caliban, and it was a reality that the island belonged to Caliban, but because Caliban was half devil and was a brainless fellow creature, so that is why Prospero has taken advantage of this and made Caliban his slave, and he became the lord of the island, and in this way he could take care of his daughter and himself. But the main weapon in Prospero's hand was his magic. तो अब एपिलॉग आपको समझ में आ गया है. You will utilize the text of this epilogue and explanation of this epilogue and the definition of epilogue in order to write at least 3 pages for your file, because as I told you earlier also, external examiner will come. There is no doubt that your examination will be held offline. तो external examiner आएगी and it is a matter of 20 marks. So please do not forget to frame 3 pages at least, because the word limit is short. So I want the girls of 12th A and 12C to be ready with the content written in 3 pages. और क्योंकि ये पूरा का पूरा एपिलॉग प्रॉस्पेरो ने ही डिलीवर्ड किया, तो इट विल बी एडेड टू द कैरेक्टर ऑफ द प्रॉस्पेरो. और अगर आपको लगता है दैट यू हैव मिस्ड आउट सम ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स, सो यू कैन इंक्लूड द दैट कैरेक्टर ऑल्सो, एंड देन लेटर यू कैन गिव द रेफरेंस ऑफ द एपिलॉग. सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे.